Hi moms and dads and boys and girls, this is Mrs. Gaiman and I have a short video lesson for you about partial product multiplication. In this lesson, we'll set up a partial product algorithm and solve it, as well as represent the problem in a place value chart using disks. You may be asking yourself, well, why don't we just teach the normal algorithm, the traditional one, like mom and dad learned it, and be done with it? And the answer to that is that this process here is quite simple, and it helps us to see the value of the numbers as we calculate. It's a segue into learning the traditional algorithm, which we will do in the near future. So here we go. Let's take a look at a simple problem, 43 times 1. And note that 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 3 ones is 3. Then I multiply my factor 1 by 4, 1 times 4, except it's not in the ones place, it's actually 4 tens. 1 times 4 tens is 40, so I put it in the proper place, add those numbers together to get 43. To represent that in a place value chart, I'll want to think about, I have 3 ones one time. I have 4 tens one time. And when I count those up, 10, 20, 30, 40, I know that I'll use 4 to represent in the tens place and 3 in the ones place, and my products will match. Let's do another one very quickly. And now I'm multiplying the same number times 4. 4 times 3 ones. And I know that 4 times 3 ones is 12, so I'll set those numbers appropriately in the places that they belong, ones and tens place. And now I'm going to multiply 4 times 4, but it's not really 4 times 4, it's 4 times 4 tens, which makes a big difference. Because now I'm thinking about, in my head, that that's really 4 times 40. Which I know is 4 times 4 is 16, plus a 0 is 160. And so I need to set that up appropriately in the right places. And just like I did in the previous problem, I'll now add 172. What does that look like represented on a place value chart? Let's take a look. An easy way to think about it is to come back over here to the unit value and say to yourself, 3 ones 4 times. I know how to put 3 ones into the place value chart, and now I'm going to make 4 total sets of them. And I know that when I have 10 of something that I must regroup. 3, 6, 9, 10. I'm going to bundle these up and send them directly to the left into the tens place. And I usually cross that out just so that I know that I sent it over. And then I'll look at 4 tens 4 times. Well, here's 4 tens. Here it is represented 4 times. And once again, I'm not finished yet because I need to take a look at the fact that I have 4, 8, 9, 10. 10 of something gets bundled up and sent to the place to the left. I'll cross that out. I have 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, and 2 ones. And once again, my products match. So that's partial product multiplication in a nutshell. Have a great night.